Firstly, welcome to Physically Fit and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to be talking briefly about my new training program. It's called the Powerhyper Advanced 4-Week Program. It's an accumulation of 15 years of bodybuilding hypertrophy training and 10 years of strongman and strength training. The principle of this program is to incorporate elements of powerlifting and hypertrophy bodybuilding style training. So not only are you increasing your strength, but increasing muscle mass at the same time. The end goal is to be stronger and look stronger. This program will suit anybody looking to increase their current training volume and intensity, while increasing their strength and muscle density. It's not only for powerlifters or bodybuilders, but because of its percentage-based calculations can be utilised by anybody looking for a new challenging regime, be it for a specific sport like rugby, boxing or MMA, or anybody just wanting to look and feel better, stronger and fitter. So, how does it work? Well, the program has been broken down into 4-week rotation, built around the 4 main lifts: deadlifts, squats, bench press, and overhead push press. Each of these big lifts are based on a percentage of your 1 rep max, with a view to increase your strength in these movements. All the calculations and charts you needed are included in the program, and on weeks 1 to 3 we'll be increasing in weight and total workload, with week 4 being a deload week, only working to about 60%. Alongside this, I've put in all your accessory and supplementary exercises you need and all the hypertrophy style training exercises for each body part. For example, on your bench press day, there will be all exercises to complement the bench and also all the chest exercises to complete the workout. Each of the 4 weeks has a different style of hypertrophy bodybuilding movements. There is a high volume advanced training program, and I would only advise you embarking on this if you've got a good few years of training under your belt. Okay, so week 1 is focused around drop sets, also known as the multi-poundage age system. Basically, you perform a number of sets, increasing the weight on each set, and on your last set, you will work your way back down the weights without any rest between sets, aiming to perform a number of reps on each of these drops. Week 2, we will be looking with supersets, a method used to force as much blood into the muscles as possible by performing 2 exercises back to back with no rest and minimal rest between sets. Moving on is week 3. Now this is the big lift week. We're going to be working to about 85 to 90% of your max on all exercises. So we call this functional hypertrophy, working up to maximum heavy sets of 6 to 8 reps on most of the exercises and working to failure within this range. Finally, week 4. This is the final phase of your program, also known in the strength world as a deload week. So we will be working at about 60% of your max. So we are allowing an active rest from all the heavy lifting, and also by pushing blood around the body, we will also be allowing for active recovery. But just because you now completed all the 4 weeks, that doesn't mean the program is finished with, because the program can be repeated again and again using your new 1 rep maxes that you've achieved during the previous 4 weeks. So using the calculations charts included in the program, you can recalculate your 1 rep maxes and start the program again. Alongside the program, I've included short 10 to 20 second long video clips showing every exercise via the links embedded in the main body of the program. Okay, this program was not designed overnight. It took a lot of time to develop and has been tried and tested on many of my clients, including England's strongest woman, Gemma Ferguson, natural bodybuilding champ, Af Abdul Salam, and pro fighter, Luke Koo. I really hope you enjoy the program, and I'd love to hear your experiences with it. Until then, take care.